We have an incredible car here. This is some serious stuff. It's a 383 big block in a Dodge Dart GTS. And guess what? Its numbers matching. It was born this way. Even these incredible colors. This is a serious collector car right here, folks. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. You can go to volocars.com. You'll get the pricing, the specs, pictures top to bottom of this car, and a few hundred others, all for sale. We also have financing, shipping, plenty of ways to contact us. Let us know how we can help you. I have a whole staff of people that are willing to answer your questions and take you through the process of getting your dream car. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do a lot of videos, and that's the best way to see them first. Let's take this one for a spin. A striking car. The restoration's phenomenal. You got to look at our undercarriage pictures. The underside of the car looks this nice. Every component, every piece of suspension is just so immaculate and painted and detailed. It's incredible. It was born blue with the white. The body is laser straight. It's polished like glass. It's even smooth to the touch, just slick as can be. Rally wheels with redline reproduction tires. Got the bumblebee stripe. This is the only thing that I'd seen on the car. I don't know, that trim is probably hard to get, otherwise they would have replaced it, but it's dented right there. But everything else is fantastic. Look at the glass, this blue speaker tray, all the trim is polished, vinyl top. Isn't that gorgeous? White with the blue trim. The door jambs are painted as slick as the outside, new sill plates, got blue seat belts, blue carpeted floor mats, bucket seats, console, tachometer, and it is a VIN number matching 383 motor. This is a Dodge Dart. These were little grocery getters. That's a big block engine in a Dodge Dart. That is rare and very desirable. The detail is incredible. I mean, every component, every bracket, everything there is here is pristine. It has Mopar hoses, has the fender tag still attached, it's power steering, it's got disc brakes, they're manual disc brakes, crystal clear glass. Look how everything fits too. Look how nice that shuts, even with the windows up. Sounds like a new car. Now, Richard Petty did sign the air cleaner. There's a picture of him signing it. Here's some photos that go with the car, description. Here's a copy of the window sticker. It's a reproduction made off of the build sheet. We have the original build sheet for this car. So this is a documented car. In the trunk, it's all painted, detailed, of course. Got the jack assembly, new rubber mat. It does not have a spare underneath the mat. Start it up for you. You got to go to our website and look underneath this thing. Awesome. The center console looks brand new. Dome light works, tachometer is working. That door shuts just as nice as the other side. I would imagine 100 grand is what it would cost to do this level of a restoration on a car like this. So go out and find a numbers matching 383 Dart. I would imagine if you find one, you pay about 30 grand for one that needs full restoration. Find one with incredible colors. Good luck with that. And then go have it restored. This one's done, ready to go. It's incredible. You don't have to wait for it, and it's going to be less than half of what it would cost if you were to go out and find one and build it yourself. It's different, it's unique. Go to the car shows with this. Be a very, very proud owner to take this anywhere. You don't even have to be a car lover. Anyone's just going to look at this and say it's gorgeous. We're selling Camaros and Chevelles in the same price range as this. I think this car is worth a lot more than what we're asking, but check it out on our website. It is for sale, and I think it's a great value. It's a lot of car, and it's an exciting car. So visit volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. A lot more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.